Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI tools in Videoleap. Videoleap is a powerful video editing app that includes several AI powered tools to make editing faster and easier. These artificial intelligence features can automatically remove background, generate effects, enhances videos and help creators produce professional content without advanced editing skills. Using AI tools in Videoleap can save time and improve the overall quality of a video. So let's go step by step. First, what you can do is open your Videoleap app, and I'm selecting to the project on the bottom and find one of the drafts that you want to put in the editing timeline. Over here, after selecting a media, and what you can do is you can look for the AI features, which is for the effects. You can go to this effects here, and some effects are AI powered as well. Over here, what you can do is you can select any of the effects, motion, flashes, distorts, and you can select to this small check mark beside it, and you can do the infinite zoom as well. What you can do is simply from the timeline, simply pinch to the screen, and these tools are artificial intelligence to automatically edit videos or the images as well. And many AI tools require the Videoleap Pro, so if you do not have the subscription, the tool may show a crown icon or the lock. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.